ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ PSK ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ 27/9/2020 ನಡೆದಂಥ KSET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ವೋವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿ. Second when a code mixed text. Answer is A. Use both the first second language. Third questions, match the following. Match the following. Answer is A. ಐದನೇದು ಸಹ match the following. Answer is C. ಐದನೇದು ಫರ್ಡಿನಾಂಡ್ ಡಿ ಸಸೂರ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂಡ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಯೂರ್. ಐದನೇದು ಎ ಆನ್ಸರು. ಆರನೇದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಈಸ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್. ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಒನ್ನು ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಡೀಪ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಮ್ ಚಾಮ್ಸ್ಕಿ. ಆನ್ಸರು ಬಿ. ಎಂಟನೇದು ವಾಟ್ ಡು ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಬ್ರೋಚ್ ವಾರ್ನ್ ಬೈ ದ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಮೀನ್ ಈಸ್ ಚಾಸರ್ ಪ್ರೊಲಾಗ್. ಎಂಟನೇದು ಎ ಲವ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಲ್. ಒಂಬತ್ತನೇದು ದಟ್ ಐ ಮೇ ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎ ಕ್ರೋತ್ ಮೀ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪೊಯಮ್ ಬೈ. ನೈನ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿ. ಜಾನ್ ಡನ್ ಅವರ ಪೊಯಮ್ ಇದು. ಹತ್ತನೇದು ಅಂಡ್ ಎಂಡರ್ ಅಲ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅಸ್ ಲೈ ಡಿಸರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಎಟರ್ನಿಟಿ. ಆನ್ಸರು ಹತ್ತನೇದು ಸಿ. ಟು ಈಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಯ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್. 11th ಒನ್ನು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿ. 12th ಮಾ ಫ್ಲಕ್ವಾನ್ ಸ್ಟೇರಿಸನ್ಸ್. 12th ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿ. ಥಾಮಸ್ ಶಾಡ್ವೆಲ್. 13 weave a circle round him theories and close your eyes with holy dried in Kublan Khan. Those lines are about. Answer is B. The poet. 14 Shelley Odes to the West Wind describes the West Wind as. Answer is B. The driving force of history. 15 who were the prominent member of Imagist School. Answer is C. Ezra Pound, T.E. Ullem, H.D. M. Lowell. 16 Arts are not had as a gift but arts are earned. 17 C. A prayer for my daughter. 17 The author of Sir No Many Enemies is. Answer is D. W.H. Auden. 18 The title of Hemingway novel For Whom the Bell Tolls is taken from Sermon by. 18 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎ. ಜಾನ್ ಡನ್. 19 One would think the may had been here to spy upon me. Who started this with respect to his biographer? Answer is D. 20 Match the following. Answer is A. 21 Call me my Britain, Mary Seton, Mary Carmichael, or by any name you please. Who introduced herself in this way? 21 Answer is C. The imaginary narrator in a room of one's own. 22 Goodbye to All That is the autography of C. Robert Grouse. 23. Who wrote the provocated book Mother India? Answer is B. Katrina Mayo. 24. The Remember Village is path breaking work by D. M.N. Srinivas. 25. I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings is the first of the multi-volume autography of D. Mayo Anglo. 26. Playing is the Dark. Tony Merson argues that answer is B. 27. The Shocked Doctrine by Noam Killen is about answer is C. Neoliberalism. 28. Criticism argued that Dr. Foster is a great but flawed play. What are the weaknesses of the play? Answer is A. 29. P. PR leaves description oddly. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. 29ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್. 30. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ. 31 ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿ. 32. In the school of scholars, Sir Oliver Surface resolves all problem when he return from. Answer is D. 33. Which play by Ben Jonson begins with the prologue admonishing the audience? Answer is C. 34. The Lion and the Jewelry Old Salkio is about. Answer is B. 35. The famous Irish play John and the Peacock deals with. Answer is B. Who were some of leading energy young man? Answer is A. 37. Which of the following books is not about English studies in India? Answer is D. In theory. 38. Who among the following was a support of the Vulcaner language in medium instruction? Answer is A. 39. In identify the theorist who described the so-called third world literature as national allegories. Answer is D. Frederick Jameson. 40. In the context of post-colonial studies, the concept of the illation and affiliation found of theoretical articulations in. Answer is C. Edward said. 41. Match the following. Answer is A. 42. Which is the correct of the chronological sequences of the phrase France critical works in the order of the publication? 42. Answer is B. 43. Edward said of reading of John Austen Manifold Park and demonstrate deep implications of imperialism as an example of for. Answer is D. 44. There is no such things of free speech and it is a good thing to is easy written by. 44. Answer is B. 45. Industrial, the theoretical formulations that does not belong to the group. Answer is C. 46. In the context of the eco criticism of their praise of identified by cycle of geographical or answer is A. 47. It is not language which has a hole in it is ozone layer. Identify the author any book in which this famous Stephen appear. 47 is answer is D. 48 answer is C. 49. Brulon, Lutter and Steve Vulgar inaugurated a new wave of cultural studies of science with the publications of answer is A. Laboratory Life. 50. The essay Cyborg Manifesto written by Don Harvey was published in 1985 in the answer is C. Socialist Review. 51. Rebecca Walker's of Before Hip Hop was a hip hop is A. Answer is C. Reflective essay. 52. Sydney, a prologue for our poetry is among other things a reactions to answer is B. 53. Dra- 49. Answer is against method. 50. This essay of Cyborg Manifesto written by Don Arves was published in 1985 is a 50. Answer is C. Socialistic Review. 51. Rebecca Walker's of Before Hip Hop was the hip hop is a reflective essay. 52. Sydney's approaches for poetry is among other things reactions to 52. Answer is B. 52. Dryden comments of reflecting of the metaphysics in love poem by the metaphysical poem its poets is A. 53 is A. 53. Which, what does Matthew Arnold mean by a term distressless? Answer is 54B. 55. Which play by Shakespeare have contributed an important analytical team in post-colonial theory? Answer is D. 56. Which of the following is accepted then A of new criticism? Answer is A. The literary text has a distinctive autological status. 55. Match the following. Answer is 57. Answer is C. 58. In which work does not Immanuel Kant define the autonomy of literatures? 58 is A. 59. Which work deal elaborator with telling and showing in fictions? Answer is C. 60. Arts then is the becoming of and happening of truth. Name of philosophical who gave this a definition. Answer is 60B. 61. Which critics is known for his work on the Western canon? Answer is B. 62. In serious critical intellectual work, there are no absolute beginners and few unbroken constitutions work who made this statement. 62. Answer is B. 63. Who distinguishes between theory as a body of knowledge and theory as practices? Answer is A. 64. Name of the critical who explains social definitions of cultural descriptions of particular way of life. Answer is B. Raymond Williams. 65. Names of philosophers who attempted to fuse of structuralism with Marxism. Answer is C. 66. The cultural studies perspective on cultural differ from the Arnoldian Livius perspective on the following grounds. Answer is D. 67. I flow do also Neddy and Winnie law interplay the din lockdown. Answer is A. 68. According to Pierre Bourdieu, cultural capital is. Answer is A. 69. Who is the author of After America? 69. D. 70. Which Indian critical has made a cultural analytical of film Rosa? 70. C. Tejaswini Niranjan. 71. ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮೇ ಬಿ ನಾನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. 71 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿ. 72 ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೀ, ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಯು, ಸಾರಿ. 72 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿ. 73 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿ. 74. Who is generally described as the most development character in the Scarlet Letter? Answer is A. 75. 75 answer is D. 76 answer is C. 77 answer is B. 78 answer is D. 79 answer is C. 80 answer is B. 81 answer is D. 82 answer is C. 83. A comparative research on two literary tradition. I am at 83 answer is D. 84. Which is not an appropriate way to reality oneself with research? Answer is C. Research as a only a mean of getting PhD degree. 85. The skills that can be development thought audio lingual method included. 85 is the answer is D. 86. According to Norm of Chomsky, one of the following is not factor leading to language acquisitions. Answer is B. 87. Only the learners can do the learning. This observation mostly aptly reflects one of the following method of language teaching. 87 is answer is C. 88. In silent method, the teachers does not facilitate one of the following. 88 is a answer is D. 89. One of the following is not the goal of the teachers who use Distignatopedia. 89 answer is C. 90. Which India play provided a powerful expressions of delusionment with post Nehruvian era? Answer is A. 91. Who is the author of Spectra of Marx? 91 answer is A. Jacques Derrida. 92. The medium is the message of his praise of Canyon by. Answer is B. 93. Which of the following statements is are correct with regarded a popular culture? 93. Answer is A. 94. In film studies, criticism marks associated with 94. Answer is B. 95. Answer is B. 96. 96. Answer is A. 97. Answer is B. 98. Answer is C. 99. Answer is D. 100 in the poem day is answer is B. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಇದೇ ಥರ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.